Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your AMA Waterways River Cruise specialist, and today I'm on board the beautiful Amistella. Now this particular category is one of their twin balcony options. It's the larger of the two, the AA and the AB category. You get quite a bit more space. Now we're going to talk about the amenities and I'll tour the space here in just a minute with you. But when you're ready to book your next AMA Waterways River Cruise, make sure you reach out to HarTravel. We are your river cruise experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with AMA, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now we've started off right here in the living room, and when you come in the door, you're gonna have your storage to the right. So you've got your safe in here, it's a pretty good size. You've got those extra comfy bathrobes and slippers, and then you also have shelves for storage. In here, you're gonna find your hanging storage. It's all the way across up top, all the way down below as well. And then you're also going to have golf umbrellas. You're gonna be able to utilize those during your time here in Europe. Now I'm gonna take you into the bathroom. Now it's a really nice size space for a river cruise bathroom. You've got a nice large vanity here with storage all the way across the top, storage down below as well. You're gonna have a magnifying mirror to the side, and then you're also gonna have a European plug. Now I always bring extra European adapters and converters so I can take advantage of all the plugs in the space. You've got the toilet here, and then as I step in, I just wanted to point out, I'm a really big guy, I'm 6'6". I do fit in here. You've got the adjustable shower wand, the rainfall shower head up above, the clothesline that goes across, little nook for your bath amenities, and those upgraded amenities here as well. Now another unique feature of the bathroom is you have this window here so you can get some sunlight in. It's opaque if you put the button up, or you can click it down and it can be see-through if you prefer. Now as we head into the room itself, this is where you can see the big difference between the A categories and the B categories. So this is the AAAB, which means you have quite a bit more space here. You've got a really nice large writing desk that doubles as a vanity. You've got lights up above. You can sit here and get ready. You're also gonna have two European plugs right here. And I wanted to point out these. So when you do all of your tours, the tours are gonna be included with AMA Waterways. And one of the things that makes them exceptional and sets them apart is you're gonna have a choice of complimentary tours. You're also gonna have active options. So if you wanna do a bike ride, go for a hike. And I love the idea that they also have gentle walker tours and even a late riser if you wanna sleep in a bit. Now what you utilize these for is you're gonna have headphones so that you can listen to your guide. They have smaller groups than you're gonna find on most river cruises. And then in addition to that, what's really great about this, you just tap that on the sign that the guide has. It's gonna sync it up so that you can hear them. You can move around just a little bit. Maybe you're a wanderer like I am. You'll still be able to listen and hear all the incredible information. Now you have a nice large iMac here. It's gonna double both as a computer and as a television. So you can utilize that for the computer here, and then you can also utilize it with the remote control to watch TV from the bed. Now this particular room has a sofa. This does pull out into a third bed depending on the configuration you're looking for. They also have a configuration as well, and you can see it on the deck plans, that has two chairs here instead. You're gonna have a nice coffee table here, and then as we head around the corner, you'll find the bed. They're really comfortable with upgraded linens. You're also gonna find the duvets there, and they have feather pillows. Up above, you're gonna have reading lights on either side. And on this side of the bed, you're gonna find a European US plug combo, so you can use either one. And then you'll also have two USB chargers for charging your devices overnight. Every room is gonna have an alarm clock, and then you have storage on the nightstands. And I did wanna point out that under the bed is the perfect place to tuck your bags away so you can get those out of the way. Now the beds do separate apart into two twins if that's your preference. In that case, one of the nightstands is gonna move to the middle so you have a bit of separation if you're traveling with friends. Now this is a twin balcony, and the idea behind it that AMA really created is that you're gonna have the French balcony. So you can have the views out there. Of course, you can open the door to get a little bit of fresh air coming in. And if you have slightly inclement weather, which can happen from time to time, you can utilize that. Or of course, you can step out on your own private balcony. Let me show you what that's all about. So now we're out on your private balcony. You've got 2 chairs and a table here. It's that perfect place to have a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, and really take advantage of that immersive river cruise experience. What's so unique about going on a river cruise is while you're cruising, you're gonna see both sides of the banks. And what's great about that is you become part of life. So you're gonna see people walking their dogs, going fishing, but you're also gonna see all the different iconic monuments, whether it's the castles, those famous churches and cathedrals along the way. It's a really fantastic place to be right here on your private balcony, enjoying all of that. Now keep in mind, this is a highly immersive and inclusive experience. So you're gonna have breakfast, lunch, and dinner from the award-winning chefs from AMA Waterways. Their culinary is fantastic. That also includes the chef's table experience. It's in the back of the ship. You're gonna have an incredible wine paired tasting menu prepared in front of you, and it is absolutely delicious. So you pair that with all of your favorite excursions, what you're gonna find is a perfect vacation option for so many of our guests. Now, when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any room or suite with AMA Waterways, make sure you reach out to Har Travel. We are your river cruise experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We've cruised extensively with AMA Waterways, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Har Travel signature service every step of the way.